Welcome to this second session where we are going to look at the dichotomous key for the kingdoms. We want to look at the dichotomous key for the different kingdoms. And we know that we have 5 kingdoms. We have Kingdom Monella, Kingdom Fungi, Kingdom Protoctista, Kingdom Animalia, and Kingdom Plantae. Now we want to construct a dichotomous key. We can start by grouping them into 2 groups, depending on the number of cells. And we can say which one, at number 1, we can put our question like, which one of the following are multicellular and which one of the following are unicellular? Now we can say that for the multicellular, you go to number 2. Because when you're looking at the multicellular, under the multicellular we have Kingdom Plantae, Kingdom Animalia, and Kingdom Fungi. And those which are unicellular, we have Kingdom Monella and Kingdom Protoctista. So we send Protoctista and Monella to number 4, and we send the fungi, plant, and animals or mammal animals to these kingdoms. We send them to number 2. Now when we go to number 2, we ask a question: which one of the following have hyphae? And which one of the following have no hyphae? Now you'll find that we have the mammals, we have the plants, and we have the fungi. The fungi have hyphae, and the plants and animals do not have hyphae. So at the end of the question, which one of the following have hyphae, we put the fungi. And on the other question, which one of the following have no hyphae, we put the mammals and the plants. And then we say for the mammals we put go to number 3. Now when we go to number 3, now we are remaining with plants and animal at number 3. We pose a question: which of the following has a cell wall and chloroplast, and which one of the following has no cell wall and chloroplast? So when you look at the animals and the plants have chlorophyll, they have a cell wall, and animals don't have chlorophyll, neither do they have a cell wall. So at the end of the question, which one of the following has a cell wall and chloroplast, we put the identity of the plants. And at the end of the question of which one of the following has no cell wall and chloroplast, we put the identity of the animals. But when we go back, we asked ourselves a question in number 1: which one of the following has unicellular and which one of the following has multicellular? And for the unicellular, we had sent them to number 4. So we go to number 4. And remember at number 4 now we have Monella and Protoctista. Now we ask ourselves a question: which one of the following has a nuclear membrane? And you'll find that the one which has a nuclear membrane is the Protoctista, and the one which does not have a nuclear membrane is the Monella. So on the question of which one of the following has a nuclear membrane, we put the Protoctista. And at the end of the question of which one of the following has no nuclear membrane, we put the Monella. I think that one has been very easy for all of us to identify the different kingdoms that we have. Next time when we come back, we want to look at the identification key of the insects. Every time when we look at the different identification key, they will become better and easier and easier. Thank you for being with us.